So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of chats right here. So if I want to hide out the chat for a particular reason, then I can easily do that by going on to a particular chat of my choice and by going into the drop-down menu, and you can click on hide conversation. So once you do this, what happens is that the conversation is just hidden from plain sight. It's not deleted. So let me just do the same for all of these as well. So I'm going to hide the conversation over here and hide the conversation right here. So in this point, what happens is that if the other person messages you, you will see it again in the chat box right here. But if you want to access the hidden chats, what you can simply do is click on the plus button, and then over here in frequent section, or you can go around and type in the email address of the person that you chatted with, click on it. And what happens is that the chat just gets back, as you can see right here, and all of the history is here. Similarly, you can go around over here and bring up other chats, as you can see, and all the past messages just pops up just like this. And that is how you can hide and unhide conversations inside of Google Chats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.